Welcome to Who Knows, the channel where we uncover fascinating facts, top 10 lists, and everything you never knew you needed to know. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and if you're looking for the perfect way to celebrate with your special someone, we've got you covered. Here are 10 romantic things to do on Valentine's Day. Stick around till the end for a sweet surprise. Let's dive in. Romantic idea 10. Plan a surprise date. Instead of sticking to the usual dinner reservations, surprise your partner with something unexpected. Maybe a picnic under the stars, a mystery road trip, or even a spontaneous dance night in your living room. The key is to keep them guessing and make it all about shared joy and adventure. Romantic idea 9. Love letter exchange. In the digital age, handwritten love letters are rare, and that's what makes them so special. Pour your heart out on paper and exchange letters with your partner. Not only will it be an unforgettable moment, but you'll also have something to cherish forever. Romantic idea 8. Breakfast in bed. Start the day with a cozy and romantic breakfast in bed. Whether it's heart-shaped pancakes, a fancy omelette, or just coffee with a handwritten note, it's a simple yet thoughtful way to make your partner feel special from the moment they wake up. Romantic idea 7. Romantic movie night. Transform your living room into a private theater with fairy lights, comfy blankets, and a selection of romantic classics. Whether it's The Notebook, Pride and Prejudice, or your own love story captured in home videos, it's the perfect way to cuddle up and enjoy the night. Romantic idea number 6. Couples Spa Day. Treat yourselves to a relaxing spa experience. Book a professional couples massage or create your own spa day at home with scented candles, bath bombs, and soothing music. Relaxation and romance go hand in hand. Romantic idea 5. Take a dance class. Whether it's ballroom, salsa, or even a fun TikTok challenge, dancing together is a great way to connect. Even if you have two left feet, the laughter and closeness will make it a memory you'll both treasure. Romantic idea 4. Stargazing adventure. There's nothing more romantic than lying under the night sky, watching the stars with your significant other. Grab some blankets, a telescope if you have one, and maybe a thermos of hot cocoa for a dreamy and intimate evening. Romantic idea 3. Write a love playlist. Music has a way of expressing feelings that words sometimes can't. Create a playlist of songs that remind you of each other, your first dance, your road trip jams, or just tunes that make your heart skip a beat. Share it and listen together. Romantic idea 2. Cook a fancy dinner. Skip the crowded restaurants and cook up something delicious together. Whether it's a fancy steak dinner, homemade sushi, or heart-shaped pizza, cooking as a team can be both romantic and fun. Bonus points for candlelit dining at home. Romantic idea 1. Recreate your first date. Take a trip down memory lane and relive the magic of your very first date. Whether it was a fancy dinner, a casual coffee meetup, or a walk in the park, revisiting those moments will remind you both why you fell in love in the first place. And there you have it, 10 romantic things to do on Valentine's Day. Which one was your favorite? And what would you like to see in a future video? Let me know in the comments. So subscribe and keep watching. Who knows what you might discover? By the way, what did one light bulb say to the other on Valentine's Day? You light up my life. See you at the next video.